2022 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 73,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control. Find your dream car and drive it home today.